Well, folks, I present to you partial. Since we get the this plate put on over here, the rest of the avionics will be there. But that's our stack right there. Look at that. It's beautiful. I just want to cry. But not as beautiful as him. Isn't that right, Rudder? Rudder. Rudder, Rudder. Yep, he's handsome. Okay, for a quick Sunday recap, wrap up, folks. I've got, instruments are installed. We're literally left for the wiring. I've got positives, negatives to land, microphone stuff, microphone, headphone for pilot, co-pilot, backseat passengers, and all the coaxes are landed. That is literally it. There's nothing left to do. Well, oh, I'm sorry. We still got to put the GPS antenna on the roof, and I got to route the coax down and land the coax on the back of the GPS. And once everything's button tied and we ascertain that everything is free and clear of the flight controls and appropriately zip tied and bungeed and all this other stuff, then we'll get underneath there, and actually I'll do a video of the complete articulation of all the flight controls. We'll be ready to pull this thing out and smoke test it, I guess. But God, this is gonna be so much fun. Squawk. 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. Boom. Yep. All right. It's 5:30 on Sunday. And with that, we're going to call it a wrap. I'm tired. The wolf over here, he's had a lot of fun mingling with everybody at Fox 69, because, wolves hang out at Fox 69. I don't see the coyote, which is probably a good thing. So, everybody, thanks for following along as I do this avionics project. What can I say? We're almost there. This is the home stretch. Stay tuned for the smoke test. Hey there, Wolf Pilot fans. It's Friday the 14th. I'm down here at the hangar. Got down in the area. It's going to be a late night for me. Got to change control at the office to manipulate some network equipment. Anyhow, so I'm going to spend some time here on the airplane. Let's see where I left off on this thing. I've got all of the positive lines terminated. They've all landed on breakers. This looks like a complete royal flustercluck, but I've got all my negative wires here for different avionics stuff. Those got to go over to this guy right in there, which is the bus bar. And let's see, I've also got my intercom system. I got to solder on the jacks, headset jacks for that. And the intercom in the back, we've got, hand back here a little bit. I got to go up here. This was a poorly done splice job. We transitioned from one type of wire to another type of wire. Really, really poorly contrived, conceived. Same deal here. Actually, this one's even worse. The intercom wire, which you can see is, get it separated so it's clear for you guys. You can see it's got the black dental floss on it, wax string. That actually goes way out up here in the crevice. So I'm going to pull that down and use the correct style of wire to extend it. And I think what we're going to do, the wires I've got here for the rear intercom, they're about this long. I don't see myself, I might cut this one short so they just match. Then I got to figure out where it's going to end. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a Molex connector on this. And so that way it'll make it, you can just unplug it. And I'm going to try and see if I can't make that fit somewhere convenient down on this side over here, down in this cabling area. Steve has been busy. And go over here real quick. Get up on top. We have a GPS antenna. Very, very nice. Got this primed and painted. I guess it's what you'll do is tape off the area over there, and oh wow, I got to do something about that. Tape off the area, and holy cow, these winds are strong, and this stuff here does not lend well to being held back. Anyway, that's what I got to do. We'll circle back later and let you know how far I got.